But today I'm going to share something really interesting and really special. So, what it is, let me just share quickly with you. So, let me ask you one question. Are you looking for something where you can achieve, lot of things, but in less time? Are you looking for something where you can, achieve many results, but with a very short period? If this is what you're looking for, I think you are in the right place. And let me just quickly, share the invitation with you about our upcoming webinar. But before, going ahead, I want to once again introduce myself and about my sister. So myself, Mo, and my sister, Shomosri, we both are law of attraction coach and Ho'oponopono healers. So we have been running a lot of webinars, workshops, across the globe, where we have students from all over the world, and the only agenda that we have in our mind is how we have been able to use a lot of techniques, and we see a lot of results, and we are feeling the magic in the healing world, so we want to spread the healing magic and let you also experience the similar results what we have created in our life. So let's just straight away move into the topic for today. So today, specifically video which I am streaming now is just to invite all of you in a live webinar. So this webinar would be about a very, very powerful program, so which is known as NLP. So the full form of NLP, those who are not aware of NLP, so let me just give you a very quick background of NLP. So NLP is Neuro Linguistic Program. So as you know that our brain is made up of several billion, or I would say 1000 billion neurons, and these neurons are all controlling our brain. Now there are certain situations in our life where we really really want to get rid of certain things, and we really want to break certain belief, certain patterns, so that we can actually build a new belief, or we can actually transform our old mindset or a lot of patterns that we have in you, and we create a new one which we actually crave for. So these neurons what we have in our brain, when these are all connected, they form a specific experience and a pattern. Now the more this experience repeats, it creates a very I would say a deep mark in our brain, and that builds a typical pattern. Now NLP, I would say, which is the Neuro Linguistic Program, is a very scientific approach with which the techniques that we share in NLP workshops or webinars, this will help people to transform their lot of things in life. For example, if you really want to get rid of certain bad habits, and if you really want to cultivate some habits, so these habits might be having, or you might be living with these habits for so many years. Now if you really want to get rid of these habits, and if you want a fastest result, I think this is the right platform, and you should know, or you should in fact attend the NLP webinar, where we will be teaching you certain useful or beneficial techniques and tips with which you can actually transform your level of life from here to here. So as I said, if you really want to get rid of few things, for example your bad habits, and if you want to really cultivate new habits, if you really want to get rid of your fear and phobias with which you have been living for so many years, if you really want to dismantle or you want to break down certain belief which are very strong beliefs that have been with you unconsciously, also if you really want to step into the world of hypnosis, but of course if you are stepping into the hypnosis or the hypnotic world, then unless or until you have a good intention and with a clear mindset of not misusing it, so you can also learn conversational hypnosis under NLP. So these are like various ways with which you can see fastest results. And this is why we called NLP as the superpower of law of attraction, because these techniques and these are the various ways with which you can see results at 10x level for all these areas and many more areas in your life. So I would say there are no when you start the journey with NLP, you will feel the power because you can almost use it in anything and everything. And the results that you get, for example, if you really dislike something, we can help you to like that as well. So we can make you, like something which you really dislike within a very, very short span, say within, say, 10 minutes or maybe within 15 minutes. So this is how we will let you know how you can actually use a particular language. So NLP stands for Neuro Linguistic Program, which means neuro, which are our neurons, which controls our brain. Linguistic, which is the language or the communication with which you can communicate with the neurons. Program, which means with which you can program all these neurons. So if you master the programming of your subconscious mind, so you would be able to really control your mind, your brain, and you would see that you are the one who is actually controlling all your thoughts, all your beliefs, all your actions, and all your emotions. Isn't that so interesting and amazing? So if you really want to explore more, I would definitely like to invite all of you who are watching me live right now, also if anybody who is watching little later, to join our NLP webinar, which is the superpower of law of attraction and how to master your subconscious mind with very, very short span. So you can actually register, and this webinar is happening on 17th of September at 8 p.m. IST. So you need to just register. All the details about our webinar, you will see it in the below in the description box. But you need to register so that we can allot you your seats, which are absolutely free of cost, and you can join our webinar. Now, the special about this webinar is this particular webinar about NLP, which we are conducting on 17th of September. We are going to share an introductory video and an introductory I would say lesson of NLP that is actually part of our actual NLP course. It's just not that we are also going to cover the lesson one, which is the actual part of our NLP course. We will be sharing the lesson one absolutely free in this live webinar. So if you really want to take the benefits of lesson one, what we have been teaching to all our paid students in the NLP program, you should join this program, and the results that you would create after learning certain things like how you master your subconscious mind with NLP, I'm sure you will love it. And you will be in a mindset that NLP is just a magic which can create a lot of things at a very, very less time. So I really look forward for all of you to join our webinar. So please feel free to share this with all your near and dear ones, because there is no restrictions, absolutely not. You can bring in as many people as you want to, but all that you have to do is whoever is attending this webinar, they need to just register. The second thing that I wanted to share, which is special about this webinar, is so basically this webinar, whoever would be attending the webinar and will be staying till the end of the webinar, because this is going to be around 2 hours of workshop where we will be teaching you or we will be covering the lesson one of our actual NLP course. So whoever would be staying till the end of the webinar, they will get a special advantage. Now, what is this advantage? So all the people who would be there till the end, they will get a free entry to a particular program that we run for our students, which is the reprogramming of subconscious mind, wherein we will be covering a portion of NLP there. So you can understand how powerful that particular program would be if you are actually pairing the mastering of subconscious mind along with NLP. So this is going to be a super interesting. So you would get a chance to get a live class to attend along with our paid students for one day, and you don't have to pay anything absolutely. So if you really want to take the advantage of attending the lesson 1 in the live webinar and staying till the end, will give you a straightaway entry to our paid courses to have a one day live classes or the workshop that you can attend with our students. So I think this would be the best opportunity which you should not leave it. And the offers that we are giving right now, for example, that you would be getting this as a gift from us, that firstly the lesson 1 we are offering for free of cost, and secondly you also get a chance to be part of our the one day live workshops with our paid students, in reprogramming of subconscious mind along with the NLP. So these two gifts that we are offering to all of you is just because my sister's birthday is around, and we are giving it as a pre-birthday launch offer to all our students and all our viewers. So we definitely look forward to see you in this session. As I have just shared, that once you start using it, you will be addicted to NLP, and you would start using it for anything. Like if you want to use it for your relationships, if you want to use it for growing your business, if you want to really use it for transforming yourself and cultivating new habits, new beliefs, you would see some amazing techniques that we are going to share with all of you. All right. So, see you in the webinar. And if you really want to be part of our WhatsApp group, which will also help you to get connected with us, and stay tuned to all our live workshops on several topics like Ho'oponopono, then the reprogramming of subconscious mind course, as well as the advanced law of attraction. So several courses and workshops that we have been running. We have our starter, which is a mini course in Udemy, which is like a 5 days boot camp. So if you like to register for that Udemy course, which is at a very nominal cost, so you will see all those details below. So do visit the description box and get connected with us. Last but not the least, please do like, share, and hit the bell icon, because we will be loading lot of other videos with amazing topics. So if you really don't want to miss any of them, I think you should not wait for a minute, and you should hit the bell icon and stay always tuned with all the videos or all the upcoming videos that we will be loading. So we are really excited to see you in this session, and let's start exploring the Neuro Linguistic Program magic. So take care and see you on Saturday. Bye bye.